fast? You want to race? You don't want the smoke, bro. I'm telling you. Yo, what is up? Welcome back to episode 2 of Flip Money, where I turn one man's problem into cash in my pocket. So today we're gonna go check out, well, I already checked it out, but it's a 2013 Toyota Tacoma single cab. So this truck blue books for about 10 to 13 grand, and we're not paying that. So we're about to roll out, hop in the truck, and go check this thing out. So let's get it. Oh, and also before I get there, for y'all that follow me on Instagram, I already asked y'all, what do you think I bought it? I posted it, so follow me on Instagram for sneak peeks like this, because y'all had a lot of guesses. And whoever guessed it right, which one of you did, gets a free hoodie. So stay tuned for that. I'll let you guys are gonna know after I drop this video who was right. But follow me on Instagram for sneak peeks like that, and let's go check this thing out. Alright guys, so we just arrived, and I guess you guys get to see this thing. So it's a little bit rough, but it's cheap. So I got my money, and we're about to go check it out. So here we go. There she is, boys. The old 2014 Toyota Tacoma. She's a little crusty, not in the best shape, but I must say she was damn cheap and she was a damn good deal. So I say it was worth it. So I got some cash, and I'm about to run inside, pay for it, and I'm gonna try to get her out here to pay for it and everything, so you guys can see the whole process, because if I go inside the office, you guys aren't gonna be able to see, and I'm definitely not walking into the office with the camera. So hopefully I can get her out here and we can do all the paperwork out here, and you guys are gonna be able to see the whole deal. I wanted to run the VIN, I guess, compare them. Yep. Just because I know you got a lot of trucks. You know, you could give me the wrong title on accident. One time I bought a truck, and the lady gave me her title to her daily driver, and she sold me other truck, and I registered it because I wasn't paying attention. And then she calls me like, oh my God. And I was like, oh my God, like, it was just an accident. Yeah, we should have. But she was freaking out. She thought I was gonna like come like take her truck or something, which was crazy.
Hey, people done stuff like that.
Yeah, I know, it is crazy. All right, yeah, that's all good.
Yeah, I checked them yesterday.
All right.
To make sure.
And oh cool, you cleared out the bed too.
Yep.
I'm not gonna grab it right now. I'm gonna come get it later.
Yours.
So here's the keys, and then I guess.
That's the only key, so don't lose it.
All right.
There's not a spare.
Yeah, I might get a copy made.
Yeah. So.
And then here's
This is also for you. I have a copy. This is what he wrote. He said by law he can't sell you this truck without saying that it's unsafe.
Oh no, it's.
But I'm just saying
for sure.
that's for a lawsuit.
No worries, no worries. You're never gonna hear from me again. If it breaks down on the way home, I ain't gonna call you. All right, so that should be 1,000, and
Right.
then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's another 200. She needs a little bit of love, but we got some plans for it. That's funny though, yeah, I saw the exact same truck and I was like, what the hell? I was like, there's no way they sold it.
Told you.
There's no way someone's driving around town already. I was
Nope.
like, there's no way.
Nope, I told you, no way.
Yeah.
I told you we had a deal.
Is that all good?
Yep, I told you we had a deal.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do that to you.
Awesome. I just had people in the past that have done me dirty.
We're not that way.
That's
I
good.
mean, that's why I said I put
People
sold.
of your word.
Yep, I put sold on the thing
Yeah.
and took it down right after, just like we said we would. You know, I'm not like that.
Yeah. No, I appreciate that.
Business is business, you know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Because I might have one for sale again.
Yeah, well,
You know what I
should
mean?
keep my number, because if you get another one or something, I would definitely be interested.
Okay.
So before you post it and have to deal with all that,
All right.
keep my number written down and just give me a call. And I literally live not far, so I can
Okay.
just come by, check it out, and maybe we can work a deal. You know what I
All
mean?
right, sounds good.
Keep it easy.
All right, sounds
But
good.
yeah, we should be all good to
Okay.
go. And then yeah, I'm probably gonna come back later today and grab it,
Okay.
which
Like
is cool.
I said.
All right, guys. So as you guys can tell, I just secured the freaking bag. Usually I didn't say a price or anything, or I'm gonna get it to anybody, because I came here yesterday and looked at it, and now I just came back and actually paid them because they didn't have the title yesterday. And I've had deals in the past fall through, so I was kind of worried because this thing was like literally like an insane deal. If you guys didn't hear, I got this thing for 1,200 bucks. And this is a 2014 Toyota Tacoma single cab, which is like insane. This truck literally online is going for like 10 grand, and I got it for 1,200 bucks. So you might be asking, how did I get it for 1,200 bucks? But it has some issues. It's not perfect. You guys are probably gonna be like, this thing's a piece of shit, but it's okay because your boy's gonna fix it. And I might be flipping it, but I also might keep it. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But that's it. And I actually have to come back with Matthews to come pick it up later, so I'm gonna catch back with you then. But I'm pretty excited about this deal, to be honest, just because it's so cheap. So we gotta get this thing home, so I'll catch you back with Matthews, and we're gonna get this thing to the house, and then I'm gonna show you all the things wrong with it, all the plans with it. I'll see you back here later. All right, y'all, so we are back, and Matthew's flagged out, so we got your boy Donnie here.
What's up?
Your favorite
stuntman.
Your favorite stuntman in the cut. And also we got Jordan. You don't know her yet, but you're about to know her. So we're about to pick up this truck, and I'm really excited to see Jordan's reaction because this thing's a little bit rough, and also Donnie's reaction because it's a little bit rough. But it was cheap, so you know, it was 1,200 bucks. So that was a pretty good deal. So we're about to pull up, and I'll see y'all there. Yeah, back in the weeds back there.
No way.
Bro, it's not that bad.
It ain't that bad. It's got some dents. It's got some character. Some $1,200 character. So first impressions. What do you guys think? So it needs a bed, and it needs a fender, and it needs a little bit of love, a little TLC. We got a little dent here. I might be able to buff this out. Look at Donnie's like, what the fuck? So the bed's crusty because it was a pool truck.
It's not that bad, bro.
But I know it's look, they got tape here. Look, you just gotta retape it.
Duct tape fixes everything.
Yeah. Is it mint? No. Does it run good? Yeah.
It's alright.
What do you think, Donnie? What do you think about the back bumper situation? You think we can repair that?
Yeah.
Wonder what happens if you drop the tailgate. Probably falls off.
You drop it.
Like, what are you thinking?
Go ahead. Drop
No, I think they have it. Look, they have it screwed in.
Oh shit.
That's custom right there.
'Cause
They,
they know-
they paid a lot for that. It's pretty rusty. But the thing is, the only thing rusty is like from this section back. The frame's good.
You got to reach it.
Yeah? Alright, we're gonna crank her up. Look at this fit though. It's got the boots on and everything.
Yeah.
It's got an engine. You guys are speechless. You guys are like, Judah, what the f are you gonna do with this thing?
Bro, they got a lot of blinker fluid.
A lot of blinker fluid. That was extra. I had to give him more money for that. It's a labor of love though.
You get the toolbox?
When I was 15 years old, I'd be in love right now. My first Jeep I ever bought was like so bad, and I made it look like brand new.
What is all that shit?
I got it started, the battery's dead. But I got my jump box, so we're good. See how she runs. Ooh! Starts right up. What you know about all that? Started right up, like nothing. 1,200 bucks. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't even test drove this thing. I just bought it on spot, gave her the cash, and hopefully we make it home, but you know.
Hopefully.
We'll see though. You got gas? Oh, we got a half tank, come on. And this is a Tacoma, so we get like, we'll probably get 1,000 miles out of a half tank in this thing. Ready to rip?
Thing's ready to rip.
Tater chip. Think you'll do a donut?
Rev it up real quick.
Ooh. Thing runs nice. Listen, I know it's rough, and some of y'all that don't have the vision think it's a piece of shit, but it was 1,200 bucks, and you know, I'm gonna make it look good again, so that's that. Good old crank windows, that's all you need, guys. So, pretty rough, but you can't beat it for the price though. 1,200 bucks, come on. Can't beat that. You coming with? Donnie! That's why we call him Donnie Will Do It, because he'll do it. Donnie's real. Big shout out to Donnie for picking me up. Yeah, I don't. Look, it's got duct tape. They fixed it.
Just follow us.
Yeah, follow us. Try to keep up, okay? All right. Listen, bro, you can't tell me this thing wasn't worth it. We got Bluetooth right now in the whip. Come on.
Ooh, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good.
Good, man. The whip got Bluetooth. Life is good, man.
I'm on the beach. Truck 3 though.
Don't want the smoke. I'm telling you, bro. You don't want the smoke. This thing fast? You want to race? Yeah. You don't want the smoke, bro.
Do it.
Ready?
Yeah. You said don't race.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Alright, so now we made it home with no issues. And I almost smoked you in a
This
race.
thing's mint.
What do you guys think now?
Did not smoke.
I smoked you.
Things.
I smoked it. This thing gets up, I'm not gonna lie. Like this thing, that came with it. I didn't have to pay for that. Hey, it ain't bad. Look at it, I can buff that out. Donnie, what you think? A little Mr. Miyagi on that ass?
Sure. You can get that thing out. Yeah, right here.
A little wax on, wax off? Yeah, it needs a new battery. A little bit of corrosion on there. Never. I wonder if it starts now. It could not. I wonder if the battery is bad after driving it. We're about to see. You think? What do you think? You think it'll start? Oh! Doesn't even need a battery. Come on. Don't sleep on this deal. Mint. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Work harder, baby. Available on my website.
Y'all go check that out.
ShopJudasGarage.com. Cop yourself a sign. Unless you don't like to work hard and you aren't about that life. You're a little bitch and you like to sit at your house all day. Hit the pit bike jump or what?
Let's go.
That one, the tubes popped. But this one's rideable. Cranking it up. First kick, baby.
Austin Faulkner on the pit bike.
Austin Faulkner. Can you ride?
I'm scared.
Hey, 10,000 likes, I hit the jump.
I bet I
10,000
could.
likes, yeah. Clutch in a car?
No.
You can't drive stick?
No.
Once you start going, it's gonna leave unless you pull this in. So you gotta give it a little bit of gas. The car's gonna fall back, and then this hand's gonna go like that, and then the bike's just gonna fly. So you have to go easy. Keep going. All right, so I'm sitting in the new whip, and let me know what you think I should do with this thing. I could fix it up, and I could sell it. It needs a bed. It needs a couple things, but these trucks are selling for 10 to 13 grand, like nice, if they're in good shape. So here's some comparables so you guys know I'm not like BSing you. This is a flip video, but I am thinking about kind of keeping this thing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking about fixing it up real nice, color matching everything, tinting the windows, cleaning it up, putting a new bed on it, and doing like a little lift and tires. Just cause when I'm doing like working on my truck, or I'm working on the Vet, I'm working on the Hellcat, I really want like a truck that's, I don't really care about, that's like cheap, gets good fuel mileage. This thing gets like 25 miles to the gallon, which is crazy. It's a 4-cylinder, and it actually has some ass, I'm not gonna lie, it's not that slow. This is a flip video, so if I do keep it, you guys are gonna be like, oh, you didn't make any money, but if you've ever flipped anything, you know that you make the money when you buy the vehicle, not when you sell it. Like when I bought this, it was instant money in my pocket. I mean, obviously I had to pay some money for it, but this thing is just worth so much, and I paid so little. It's instant like increase the minute you sign that title, right? When it's in your name, I mean, it's an instant come up pretty much. And that's why I bought this thing, no brainer. I mean, it needs a little bit of love here and there, but I mean, this thing drives. It's got no issues, no engine lights, low miles, and it's not rusty other than the bed, I mean, which I can fix, which I'm planning on fixing. So if you have a bed, hit me up on Instagram. But let me know what you think. Do you think I should do like a lift kit, wheels, tires, all that stuff? I think this thing would be a sick little budget build, and then we can romp it in the woods, all types of stuff. So it ain't bad. I mean, honestly, I think it looks pretty nice. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned because I'm lifting my truck. my Platinum, and I got the Hellcat that I messed up. The motor's making noise and stuff, so I gotta fix that. And also the Vet, a lot of content coming soon with the Vet. I got some races planned, so stay tuned for all that because it's gonna be dope. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Peace.